snap, it's a bubble rap rap. Oh snap, it's a bubble rap rap. Oh snap, it's a bubble rap rap. It's a oh snap, it's a bubble rap rap.
Package in the mail, sticker says fragile. Grab a knife, scissors, blade, got a box to assail. Make it think, what's inside is my holy grail. Not quite, just some rap that I must impale.
I love the sound, love the feel when the bubble goes pop. That's an onomatopoeia, linguistic hip-hop. Room full of rap, throw me in, turn the lock. Snap in, plastic, best day ever, full stop.
Bubble wrap sheets on my bubble wrap bed. A bubble wrap pillow on this bubble wrap head. A friend called me up,
let's hang out.
She said, I'd rather stay home and pop plastic instead.
Getting bubbles a W, I won't toil or trouble you. Like a pro wrestler, getting ready to pummel fools. Popping with muscle moves, causing these knuckle wounds. Searching for bubble wrap worldwide, I got Hubble View.
Oh snap, it's a bubble rap rap. Oh snap, it's a bubble rap rap. Oh snap, it's a bubble rap rap. It's a oh snap, it's a bubble rap rap.
I used to have friends, was a really cool guy. A job in an office way up in the sky. That was my old life, had to say goodbye. More time to slice bubbles like a samurai.
When you see me in the street, holla bubble boy. Type of cat to run up on you with some rap to destroy. You can pop it too, we can both enjoy. I'll never run out, got more bubbles than LaCroix.
Snap, crackle, pop like I'm crispy rice. Head up, no look, squeeze, game precise. Having skills like this takes sacrifice. Carpal tunnel is a bummer and I've had it twice.
Tucked in for the night and the sleep is near. My bed is super cozy and the sheets are clear. As I drift away, what should appear? A bubble wrap roll, cause my dreams are weird.
Oh snap,